Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, so look, we have some great germination on the homestead, and this is my metal ring where I usually plant eggplant and uh what is the other, well, just a variety of eggplant I usually put over here, but being that it has the trellis, I decided to put some pickling cucumbers in here, and as you can see, we had great germination, and we had a nice downpour of rain that came through on Sunday, and it helped out a lot, you guys. So over here, as you can see, I decided to plant some cucumbers in some of my barrel grow pots, and had wonderful germination over here, and using my ladder mesh as a trellis again. And I forgot where I had this at one point, but it was kind of like an extra one that I used to keep in one of my buckets, but I actually took it from another area and I just can't remember. But this is where we will be growing lots of cucumbers, and this is usually the side that I do grow cucumbers on. And over here in our green stalk, we had great germination with the kooks. And remember, I told you guys I planted a lot of them towards the back end so that it can uh, trellis on the trellis area. And we had some germination with some of the herbs that I did plant in here as well. And you can see over here that back end, I threw so many seeds in there, and you can see a little bit of the herbs. The thyme is coming in. This one here is the oregano is coming in. And remember, I told you I did like triple and double in each one of these little pockets to get them filled up. So we have the thyme, we have oregano, and hopefully my cilantro will germinate soon. If not, I will just come in here and reseed again. We have the basil, still waiting on sage, and we're still waiting on chives. And over here we have more cucumbers, and again, they will trellis up here. They will probably latch on to the grapes. Let me show you guys, the grapes is coming in. They are coming in, you guys. So I'm going to be super excited about harvesting grapes this year. I think this might be maybe my 5th year or 4th. And these two grapevines have been doing well. I think my other two had died some years back, but these two have been doing fine on my left and right side. And these two will fill up the trellis area really, really nice. So I'm looking forward. It's already climbing on the fence. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how beautiful this is going to look. It's taking off really nicely. So let's get to the back. You guys, excuse me. I'm super excited about how things is turning out. So the toilet is blooming, and we put in here, what did we put in here, you guys? I put some beans. I think I did rattlesnake, and what's the other vegetable? Swiss chard. So as you can see, the Swiss chard has germinated. And what I'm going to do is come back in here and give this a good drink of fish motion to give it a good boost. So I'm super excited on how the Swiss chard is going to make the toilet look so pretty. Looky here, you guys. My salad mix, it did excellent. I told y'all these two little things always do really well. My little pedestal, it always do well over here, and this is just going to be just full of beautiful lettuce. All right, so that's doing exceptionally well, and I will come in again today and I will give this some fish motion as well. So let's, oops, excuse me, y'all. Look at me turning too fast, about to fall. That's another reason why I cleared this area out, because I was tripping over everything. So look what we have over here, you guys. We got some roses blooming. We got roses. So I took my bird nest, my bird netting, and I covered them up, you guys, because these roses are treats for the deers. So I want to see my rose bushes bloom and be pretty. So this is going to help keep them protected. You probably can see it from the deers. So look at the bags, you guys. Again, great germination. I'm going to have to come in here and put my shade cloth down, because I don't want the rabbits to come in here or the birds and snap these out. So pretty much all the bags germinated really nice. Let's see. Should be able to zoom you guys in so y'all can see that. See how well it did, you guys? All of them did really well. They all did. So over here, we had good germination in the raised beds as well. Let me back out. So these did really good. So I will keep an eye on these. I will put the shade cloth down to protect the seedlings, but I will also come in here and give these seedlings a boost of fisher motion as well. And y'all see that little flowers trying to come back. I've been plucking those out. I'm going to try to keep them towards the back end. That's that glory, what is it? Moon glory something, I don't know, but it's a beautiful flower that grew one year, and it traveled up on the trellis and just made this beautiful big ball of flowers. So I'm going to try to keep it towards the back so you can see over there where they keep popping up, but they're actually slowing down some. So the grapevine is doing this thing. It's pushing out the bulbs now, so that's a good sign. And then over here where my gladiuses, remember I told you guys they started to multiply. So I'm super excited on how these are going to look. Unfortunately, one went through the fence, so that's just where it's going to have to be for right now. But it's actually filling up nicely. And I said I wanted to put some more bulbs in here, but we're going to see how well it does over this season. And some of them are trying to come back down the fence area where I planted a few over there as well, and they seem to have multiplied too. So this is what this trellis area is looking like, and I think we're going to have a really good year. We're going to have a good harvest this year on this end, and it should fill up. The vines should grow, and it should be filling up really nicely this year. And where I have some spaces, I'll probably come in and reseed around the back end so that I can get those cucumbers to get on up there and grow. So over here, now I sowed a lot of seeds in here, and I checked this yesterday, and it looks like something came in here and popped some of my seedlings out on this left side. So I'm going to come in here and reseed it, probably with some sugar babies. And as you can see, my right side is doing really well. There's still some more seedlings that are popping through. So we're going to see and keep an eye on this area. But yeah, they definitely came in, and it could have been the deers. They definitely came in and they reached and snapped off on this back end, which is easy to get to. So I'm going to have to keep an eye out on this elevated raised bed. So that is my update for today, you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.